this is your guide to staying fit anywhere after 40. Hey, it's Joe from StayFitAnywhere, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I'm staying fit after 40. So it's not the easiest thing because I've got a lot of different priorities going on right now. And we just had a newborn, I've got a business to run, I've got a toddler to take care of.
You watch me.
Okay, stand back. No, come here. I've got a lot of things going on, but how do I manage to stay fit after 40? I'm going to show you how I was staying fit and doing exercises outdoors. If you're looking for additional workouts that you can do anywhere and stay fit after 40, click on the link right there and it'll give you all my other workouts that are full body, HIIT, circuit, mobility, stretch. So check that out. And with this outdoor workout, I wasn't doing an hour-long workout outside. I just don't have that kind of time. Didn't really use any type of equipment. I just used what was in the park. They have an awesome setup at the park that I usually go to. Like, they already have steps and different chin-up bars set up. So that's what I was using. But find areas that work for you, something that's comfortable. If you've been catching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button, click on the little notification icon. It'll let you know exactly when I upload videos, and I'm trying to do that twice a week. Here was my workout plus a warm-up. You can follow along or you can use these exercises individually. that was my outdoor workout. One of the many ways I stay fit after 40. I know it's not easy trying to fit in hour-long workouts sometimes. And once in a while I go to the gym, other times I do it at home. But it's all about being consistent with my exercise. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button over there. And we'll see you next time in my next video.